Hello, this is Kosta. Last weekend I got a very simplified but nice to have payment tool. I've got this box. What I've got inside, let me show you. This is box. I've got this stuff inside. We have a paper roll for printing receipts and we've got this nice item. What is this? This is a small, kind of very intuitive payment terminal. It's a color display with rubber buttons. I usually don't like them much, but for this exact version we again have a camera. Also we have a couple of SIM cards as well. We have a couple of SIM cards and a very long time battery. Why I ordered this thing from our Chinese partner? It's simply because the tool you usually use massively depends on, I would say, on a purpose. Let's say if you don't have to involve very powerful smart point of sale terminal, and let's say you are just a market trade something on a local market or a farm market, or if you are a taxi driver, for instance, you definitely can go with much more affordable and light device. Quite simple, easy to use, straightforward. Just enter the amount you want to charge from your customer and that's it. Just take a payment. Again, if you don't need any massive and complicated integrations, you can easily go with this small tool. Again, I really think that if you'd like to compare this item, this payment tool with smart point of sale Android based, you definitely can go with this one. It's because it's easy to use, and the most important thing is that this machine is going to be about twice less expensive than the more advantageous model. Being me, if you need, let's say, some additional consultancy in terms of payment systems and acquiring payments and acquiring business, I'm here to help you to understand the industry and to find the right solution.